Hey, water. Do you need water? Anyone else?
Hey, water.
I'm not a water. I'm a water sailor, right?
Okay, sorry.
Okay.
So,
Would you like to buy water? Hey, how much is this?
It's very cheap, sir. Sir, how many packet of nuts do you need, sir?
I need 1 packet of nut. How much is it? Hello everyone. Today we are going to have the outdoor practice. Our students has come here to practice each other to describe the environment and the situations, how to describe the real situations and real life. They try to practice sequentially in everything, right? So I will try to give them ideas how to talk to English in the real life situations, right? So let's take a look. আমরা একটু দেখি real life situation নিয়ে তারা কথা বলার ট্রাই করছে in these situations, what they are trying to describe, what happened around them and other things, right? আমরা আজকে চেষ্টা করব যে কিভাবে রিয়েল লাইফ সিচুয়েশনে বাস্তবে কিভাবে কথা বলা যায় ইন ইংলিশে, and it's very important as you know যে আমরা সাধারণত রুমে প্র্যাকটিস করি, বাইরে কি ঘটে সেই কথাগুলোকে আমরা বলতে পারি না, বাট রিয়েল লাইফ সিচুয়েশনে আমরা ট্রাই করব যে হাউ টু ডিসক্রাইব দ্য ইংলিশ। সো আপনারা চাইলে ইউ ক্যান জয়েন আওয়ার দ্য লাইফ ক্লাস, রাইট? দিস ইজ দ্য গ্রেট এনভায়রনমেন্ট। আমরা একটা যেটা চেষ্টা করি যে সবাইকে একটা রিয়েল লাইফ সিচুয়েশন দেওয়ার জন্য এবং একটা প্র্যাকটিস এনভায়রনমেন্ট ক্রিয়েট করার জন্য যেন সবাই শিখতে পারে রিয়েল লাইফে কি হচ্ছে। অ্যান্ড আফটার দ্যাট আমরা আরেকটু পরে চেষ্টা করব যে যেন তারা কিভাবে একটা জিনিস কিনবে এবং সেল করবে, রিয়েল লাইফ সিচুয়েশনে কোথায় আসলে কিভাবে কথা বলতে হয়, এভরিথিং দে উইল ট্রাই টু প্র্যাকটিস হিয়ার। হাউ আর ইউ ফিলিং টু কাম হিয়ার টু প্র্যাকটিস ইংলিশ?
I'm feeling so excited and happy because it helps to improve our English languages.
Okay, how do you feel? Is it the good things to practice in outdoor?
Yes, definitely. It is very good and it is very impactful for our learning because we are not comfortable to talk English in outside. So I think definitely it is very good.
How are you feeling to practice this environment?
So as for me, and I like the weather most, and I also like the area most.
Okay, so how are you feeling to practice in this environment, specifically to get the chance to talk English in this nice environment?
I'm feeling really great, sir. Especially having that kind of opportunities, it's really great, and I really appreciate that. And usually, we often practice inside the room, which is sometimes really boring. But today, I am, and we all are feeling really great.
Hey, water. Do you need water? Anyone else?
Hey, water.
I'm not a water. I'm a water sailor, right?
Okay, sorry.
Okay.
So,
would you like to buy water?
yes, water seller. I wanna take a bottle of water.
How many bottle of water would you like to need?
I need 1 bottle of water.
1 bottle of water. I have lots of water and it's very cold. Okay, let's check it. It's very cold. Would you like to buy it?
No, this is not too much cold. It's normal.
It's very
like-
cold, right?
How much is this?
It's only 50 taka.
50 taka, seriously?
Yes.
At the outside, the water bottle is too much
But
cheap from this one.
outside is not the similar way, right? We are going to sell the water to you, right? You are not buying from the shops, right? That's why you have to
Whatever,
buy.
but it's too much.
Well, no, it's not too much because I'm going to sell you to you, right?
You can
And it's
take
colder.
something extra, but this is too
No,
much for me.
you are not a good customer,
Okay,
right?
I don't want to buy this water.
Hey, how much is this?
It's very cheap, sir. Sir, how many packet of nuts do you need, sir?
I need 1 packet of nut. How much is it? It's
Sir, I usually sell for 6 taka. I'm gonna discount 10 takas to you, sir.
Why
So
is
it's
discount for me? Is overall discount or only for me?
only for you, sir.
How much is it?
50 taka only, sir. I
50
usually sell
taka only
60 taka.
packet?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is the weight of it?
It has 100 grams, sir.
100 gram?
Yes, sir.
50 taka. It's
Yes,
too
sir.
much, right?
No, sir, it's really
Yes, sir.
cheap.
Is it fresh?
Yeah, it's definitely fresh, and sir, if you can test one,
I
and
think
it's really
fresh.
delicious, and it's
It's
worth.
really?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. So, how much nut you sell every day?
So every day I sell around
2
50
kg or 1
packets.
kg?
50 packets.
50 packets?
Yes, sir.
You are very rich man, bro.
I'm not a rich,
Give
sir.
me some discount.
Actually, yes, sir. That's why I'm giving you discount. So everyone purchases not from me. That's why. So
But
I
I
give
think
discount.
it's too much, right?
Sir, if you look somewhere, then
Give me some
everyone-
discount, I will buy 1 packet.
Sir, I'm giving you 10 taka discount, sir.
10 taka discount?
Imagine, sir. Everyone's
Just
selling
for-
60 taka for 100 gram nut.
Oh, really?
Yes, sir.
Oh my God.
You can
It's-
check everywhere, sir.
The things is very expensive nowadays, right?
No, sir. Actually, you know, sir.
Is it cheap?
Having nuts, sir, you can have a quality time over here, sir.
Oh, really?
Yes, sir. It helps.
Thank
sir.
you. Give me.
Oh, sure,
one
sir.
packet.
Sir.
Okay.
Sir, if you want, then you can, sir.
Okay.
take
Won't
2
you
packets,
give me
sir.
salt? And masala. Give me salt, some
can give
masala,
you
and
that.
sit.
Yes, sir, I'll give you, sir.
Okay,
sir.
Thank you very much.
It's salt and
Count
masala.
it. The money is okay or not?
Okay, there are only 30 taka, sir.
30 taka. Okay,
Okay, sir.
fine.
It's that 20 taka.
Just check it.
Sir, I have no change, sir.
Give me a change because I don't have any change, right? You have to change.
Okay, sir, then I don't have change. So, okay, I'm giving 30 taka. So, when you come here again, then you
I have to
give-
pay it.
Yes, sir.
Okay, do you remember my face?
I don't know, sir. Probably I can
But
remember
I have
you.
to be responsible to give
Yes,
you the
sir.
money.
You are responsible for this, sir.
Okay, thank you very
can
much.
give it
Thank
later,
you.
sir. Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay.